Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 15th, 2025, and we're diving into Elutia's latest earnings report for the second quarter of 2025. Elutia, a leader in drug-eluting biometrics technologies, has shown significant growth, particularly with its EluPro product. Joining us today is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. Elutia's performance this quarter is quite impressive, especially with the strong market adoption of EluPro. I'm excited to delve into the details.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Elutia reported total net sales of $6.3 million for Q2 2025, which is consistent with the same period last year. However, the BioEnvelope products, including EluPro, saw a 33% increase in sales. John, what does this tell us about Elutia's market position?
Elutia's consistent overall revenue, coupled with the significant growth in BioEnvelope sales, highlights the strong market acceptance of EluPro. The product's revenue increased by 49% sequentially, indicating robust demand and successful market penetration. The adjusted gross margin of 62.4% also reflects efficient cost management and operational effectiveness.
Despite these positives, the company reported a net loss of $9.6 million. How should investors interpret this?
While the net loss is notable, it's a significant improvement from the $28.2 million loss in the same quarter last year. This reduction in net loss, alongside the growth in key product lines, suggests that Elutia is on a path to financial stabilization and potential profitability in the future.
Product and market expansion. Elutia's EluPro product has been a standout performer. Can you elaborate on its market expansion and the strategic initiatives driving this growth?
EluPro's success is driven by its rapid adoption in over 160 VAC-approved centers, with an average of 12 new approvals monthly. The strategic distribution partnership with Boston Scientific and the efficient selling model have been pivotal. Distributor-led growth now accounts for 33% of EluPro sales, showcasing the product's broad market reach.
And what about their pipeline, particularly the NXT41 platform?
Elutia is advancing its NXT41 platform, targeting the breast reconstruction market with a planned launch in the second half of 2026. This next-generation drug-eluting biometrics aims to address a $1.5 billion market, setting a new standard of care for patients facing high complication rates.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's discuss Elutia's operational efficiencies and future outlook. The company reported operating expenses of $12.9 million and an adjusted EBITDA loss of $3.8 million. How does this align with their strategic goals?
Elutia's focus on operational efficiencies is evident in their improved gross margins and reduced net loss. The adjusted EBITDA loss, while still present, is a step towards financial health. Their cash balance of $8.5 million provides a buffer to support ongoing operations and strategic initiatives.
Dr. Randy Mills, Elutia's CEO, mentioned a target for BioEnvelope sales to approach a $20 million annualized run rate by year-end. What does this indicate about their growth trajectory?
This ambitious target reflects confidence in EluPro's continued market penetration and the company's ability to scale its operations. If achieved, it would mark a significant milestone in Elutia's growth journey, reinforcing their position as a leader in the biometrics technology space.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Elutia's Q2 2025 performance showcases robust growth in its core product lines, particularly EluPro, despite the overall net loss. The company's strategic initiatives and market expansion efforts are setting a strong foundation for future success. John, any final thoughts?
Elutia is making significant strides in market penetration and product development. Their focus on innovation and strategic partnerships positions them well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their progress towards the ambitious sales targets and upcoming product launches.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Elutia's performance in the comments below. Until next time.